Let us discuss the next MCQ question of matrices chapter. The given question is given 3 into matrix X, Y, Z, W. This is equal to matrix X 6 minus 1 2W plus 4X plus Y Z plus W 3. So this is the given condition of the matrices. Determine the values of X, Y, Z and W. Determine the values of X, Y, Z and W. So the given options are X is equal to 2, Y is 4, Z is equal to 1, W is equal to 3. B option is X is equal to 2, Y equal to minus 4, Z is equal to 1, W is equal to minus 3. C option is X is equal to minus 2, Y is equal to 4, Z is equal to minus 1, W is equal to 3. Next option is given as X is equal to minus 2, Y is equal to minus 4, Z is equal to 1, W is equal to 3. So these are the given options for this MCQ question. Let us solve this. Okay. So solution. So write the given matrices X, Y, Z, W. This is equal to X6 minus 1 2W plus 4X plus Y 2 plus W 3. So this is the combination of the given matrices. Now this is the scalar. No? The scalar is 3. So multiply with all the elements of the matrix. So it is 3X, 3Y, 3Z, 3W. This is equal to this. Add these two matrices, between them operation is what? It is addition. So add this X plus 4, 6 plus X plus Y, minus 1 plus 2 plus W, 2W plus 3. Now equate the corresponding elements. First one first, second, third, and fourth. So 3x is equal to x plus 4, 3s minus x is equal to 4, 2x equal to 4, x is equal to 4 by 2, x is equal to 2. Okay. So next equate these two elements. 3y is equal to 6 plus x plus y. 3y minus y is equal to 6. X is what? It is 2. 2y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 by 2. This is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Okay. And then next option, if you see here x 2 4. So 2 4, this may have the option it is correct, and here okay now x values are negative here, but here x is equal to, but y is minus 4. So this option is correct. Okay. On comparing, so let us complete this question. Next is what it is. 3z is equal to minus 1 plus 2 plus w. What is this? It is 3z. So 3z is equal to 1 plus w. Okay, z and w are unknown. So let us write here, equate the next one, that is 3w is equal to 2w plus 3. So now here 2w come this side, it will become like this. Then w is equal to 3. Substitute w here, 1 plus. Okay. So here it is 3z is equal to minus 1 plus 2 plus w. Okay. So here 1 plus w. W is equal to 3w is equal to 2w plus 3. 3w minus 2w is equal to 3. So w is equal to 3 if you substitute here. Okay. So 3z is equal to, so minus 1 plus 2 plus w, 2w plus 3. 3z is equal to 4. Okay. So option Z is equal to, we are getting 4 by 3. So let us see here. First see W value. W value is what here? Equating these two. 2W, 3W. 3W minus 2W, W is equal to 3. So this is correct. Okay. And here, if we see here minus 1 plus 2 plus W is equal to here 3Z. Okay. So 3Z is equal to minus plus 1, 2, it is plus 1 plus W. And W is equal to 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 3Z is equal to 4. So question x6 minus 1 2W 4x plus y z plus w. So here it is what? It is z. Okay. So the question is z here. Z plus w. Z plus w. Here it is z. Okay. So here 3z, so 3z minus z is equal to minus 1 plus w. 3z minus z is what? It is 2z equal to minus 1. W value is what? It is 3. So 2z, z is equal to 2 by 2, z is equal to 1. So ये option is matching na. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 1, w is equal to 3. So we did the mistake in writing the question. Okay. So like this we can solve this type of MCQ questions.